बोला नहीं।
Right. Good morning to all. Hello and a warm welcome to everyone joining today's webinar. This landmark event, the 100th SPSR Webinar and Excellence Award 2025. I'm Dr. Pradeep Golani, the co-convener of this event, and it is my great honor to welcome such a diverse and engaged audience. Your participation greatly enriches our discussions and reflects our shared commitment to advancing knowledge and innovation in the pharmaceutical sciences. SPSR has built a distinguished reputation through its engaging and impactful webinars, becoming a leading platform for continuous professional development in the pharmaceutical sector. I am confident that today's session will uphold this tradition of excellence, offering valuable insights from our esteemed speaker and distinguished guests. Today, we are gathered to commemorate the 100th SPSR webinar on the theme Preparing Future Pharmacists, AI Innovation and Industry Ready Education. This milestone event, hosted by the Society of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, is organized under the visionary guidance of Dr. Shashi Alok, National President SPSR, who continues to inspire the Society's mission of fostering innovation and advancement in pharmaceutical sciences. We are truly honored to welcome our distinguished guest, Professor Ranjit Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shobit University, Gango, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Professor Sanjay Jain, Professor and Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Medicaps University, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Professor Deependra Singh, Sir, Professor, University Institute of Pharmacy, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and Chairman, Education Regulation Committee, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. Professor Sanju Nanda Ma'am, former HOD, Dean and Chairperson, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, India. SPSR remains devoted to advancing the pharmacy profession through a wide range of initiatives. Our mission includes organizing conferences, promoting pharmacy education, and supporting public health programs with a focus on disease prevention and healthcare improvement. We are also committed to recognizing and honoring pharmacists whose notable contributions continue to drive progress in our field. At the heart of our mission is the exchange of pharmaceutical knowledge to strengthen the community and elevate the impact of pharmacy, education, research, and practice. It is now my privilege to introduce Mrs. Monika Sabharwal, convener of today's webinar, founder and National Secretary of SPSR, and CEO of SPSR Periodicals Private Limited. Her leadership and dedication to pharmaceutical sciences are an inspiration to all of us. Over to Monika ma'am for a welcome address.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pradeep Golani. Hello, everyone, for joining us from across the globe. I am Monika Sabharwal, the convener of this historic 100 SPSR and Excellence Awards 2025 and National Secretary of Society of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research SPSR. It is my both honor and privilege to welcome you all to this milestone event. On the behalf of SPSR, I extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. Professor Ranjit Singh Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shobit University, Gangaon, Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Professor Sanjay Jain Sir, Dean and Faculty of Pharmacy, Medicaps University, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. Professor Deependra Singh Sir, Professor, University Institute of Pharmacy, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and the Chairman, Education Regulation Committee, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi, as our invited speaker for today. Professor Sanju Nanda Ma'am, former HOD and Dean, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Professor in charge, Beautification and Floriculture at Maharishi Dhyanan University, Rohtak, Haryana, India. Dr. Shashi Alok Sir, National President SPSR, under whose visionary leadership the society continues to achieve excellence and inspire the pharmacy community overall. I am delighted to share that we have received a very overwhelming response with more than 2,500 registrations from over 30 countries. This global participation underscores the universal significance of our webinar series and the critical importance of integrating interprofessional education in the pharmacy curriculum. At SPSR, we are deeply committed to excellence in the pharmaceutical sciences, and our webinar series is a testament to this dedication. Since its inception, the SPSR webinar series has provided a vibrant platform for knowledge sharing, networking, and professional growth for all of us. Every Sunday, we have brought together the leading academicians, researchers, industry experts, and young professionals to deliberate on various topics, from cut edge research to the pressing public health challenges. This unique continuity has helped us to build a global community of learners and professionals worldwide. As we celebrate this 100 SPSR webinar, we reflect with a gratitude on this tremendous support and the encouragement from our global community. Your active participation and the positive feedback have been instrumental in our journey, motivating us to raise the bar every event we organize. Today, as we mark this grand milestone, we are also proud to celebrate the excellence through the SPSR Excellence Award 2025. These prestigious awards honor individuals who have demonstrated exceptional achievements, groundbreaking research, and transformative contribution to the pharmacy profession. I would like to extend a very heartfelt thanks for the significant contributions made by Dr. Pradeep Gulani and Mr. Rishabh Bhanot, the co-conveners of this webinar, and the organizing committee members, Dr. Saurabh Kose, Dr. Sanjay Nagdev, Dr. Ankur Agarwal, Mr. Junaid Tantre, and Mrs. Rupam Sharma. Their tireless efforts have played a very crucial role in transforming the vision of this event into a reality. Join the SPSR vibrant community of over 60,000 pharma professionals actively engaging across LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Let's connect, learn, and grow with these top tier webinars and exclusive content every time. Do not miss out this unparalleled opportunity to elevate your pharmacy practice. Stay updated by subscribing to SPSI YouTube channel and enabling the notification bell icon for instant alerts every time. Follow our journey in advancing the pharmaceutical sciences and healthcare that will benefit the society. Together, let us celebrate this journey of knowledge, innovation, and excellence and continue to pave the way for the brighter future of pharmacy education and practice. Thank you and welcome you once again to the 100 SPSR webinar. Thank you so much. Over to you, Dr. Pradeep Gulani.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the welcome address. I am now honored to invite Dr. Shashi Alok, the National President of SPSR, to grace this occasion and with his valuable words. Under his esteemed guidance, SPSR continues to play a pivotal role in advancing knowledge and innovation in pharmaceutical sciences. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gulani. I extend my warm welcome to our esteemed speaker, Professor Deependra Singh sir, our honorable guest of honor, Professor Ranjit Singh sir, Professor Sanjay Jain sir, and Professor Sanju Nanda ma'am. Our convener and National Secretary Mrs. Monika Sabharwal and co-convener Dr. Pradeep Gulani and Mr. Rishabh Banu, and organizing committee member, and most important, all the participants joining from the across India and abroad. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to stand before you today as we celebrate a truly historical milestone, to the 100th SPSR Webinar and Excellence Award 2025. The theme of this event, Preparing Future Pharmacists, AI Innovation and Industry Ready Education, could not be more timely. We are living in a time where pharmacy professionals must embrace innovations, technology, and collaboration to meet the growing needs of healthcare and society. The Society of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research has always been committed to knowledge exchange, research support, professional development, recognition, and collaboration. Since its inception, SPSR has served as beacon of inspiration of researchers, academician, professional, and student alike. The SPSR webinar series, which began in May 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic, was a bold initiative at a time when the world was facing uncertainty and isolation. What started as a small step to connect professionals soon grew into a vibrant global platform for pharma education and research. Now, I would like to highlight some achievement of the SPSR webinar and the global reach. Our webinar have connect participants from 50 plus countries with consistent viewership from India, USA, Nigeria, UK, Philippines, and many more countries. The massive engagement, we have crossed 2 lakhs YouTube view and built a truly international audience. In the national impact, the cities like Lucknow, Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and all the pharmacy professionals across the India have actively engaged in our session. The topic diversity from the drug discovery to health challenges, regulatory affairs to innovations in educations. SPSR has brought forward a wide spectrum of knowledge. The digital prevents today SPSR proud engagedly with over 60,000 followers across the social media platform and has the established international MOUs for the collaboration. In this journey, we also face some challenges over this. This journey, however, was not without challenges. In fact, reaching this 100th webinar has been a story of resilience. The convincing audience to attend the online webinar in the early days, almost in the Sunday, identifying the inviting expert speaker from the diverse background, having technical issues like internet connectivity, last minute availability of the speakers, managing seamless executions, verifying feedback form, issuing certificates, and ensuring authenticity without duplications. At every step, the SPSR team rose to the occasions, and our National Secretary, Mrs. Monika Sabharwal, has been the backbone of this journey, consistently working with dedications to organization each Sunday webinar. Our co-convener Dr. Pradeep Golani and Mr. Rishabh Banu, Dr. Saurabh Kisse, Dr. Angur Agarwal, along with the organizing team, have shown the remarkable commitment to make every session successful. As we celebrate the 100th SPSR webinar, let us also look forward. And SPSR is not only about the conducting webinar, but also building a movement of knowledge sharing, collaboration, and recognition through initiative like the SPSR Excellence Award, and we honor individuals who contributions inspiring generation. I thank each and every participant, speaker, and supporter of SPSR. Without your encouragement, and this journey would not have been possible. And together, let us continue to raise the standard of pharmacy education, research, and practice, and pave the way of a brighter and healthier tomorrow. So, congratulations to all on this historical 100th SPSR webinar. Thank you so much. Over to you, Dr. Golani.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shashi Alok, for your guidance and motivation to SPSR team and to grow it into a big tree. SPSR is now a big tree. So next, I am delighted to invite our guest of honor, Professor Sanjay Jain sir, Professor and Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Medicaps University, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, to share his valuable words and inspire us with his vision. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Pradeep. I'd like to thank first the Sashi Alok, the President, SPSR, Monika Madam, and Dr. Ranjit Singh, Dr. Deependra Singh, and all other distinguished dignitaries present over here, esteemed colleague, awardee, students, and my dear participant. I'm delighted to know that you have a participation more than 2,500 from the different countries. It's really a landmark. So it gives me immense pleasure and pride to join you today as a guest of honor at this landmark event, the 100th SPSR Webinar and Excellence Award 2025. Crossing the century mark of continuous webinar throughout the years is not only a numerical value, but it is a milestone. It is a testament of your commitment, your passion, and collective efforts of SPSR society. Over the year, SPSR has emerged as a reliable and impactful platform for the academicians, researchers, industry experts, young professionals. Through its consistent knowledge sharing initiative, SPSR has played an important role in shaping the future of pharmaceutical sciences, fostering the innovation and creating the opportunity for global learning. In fact, by bringing together participants from across the countries, SPSR has nurtured a culture of collaboration, excellence, and the professional growth. Today's theme, preparing future pharmacists, AI, innovation, and industry-ready education, is both timely and crucial. If you have to say the AI, innovation, and industry-ready education, we should include one more thing: they should be society-ready. They should be responsible for the society. So all the pharmacists must be society ready. The pharmacy profession stands at a crossroad where technology, innovation, and global healthcare challenges demand a rethinking of our approaches. Preparing graduate to the industry ready, society ready, technologically skilled, and socially responsible is the call of our platform like SPSR are leading from the front in these efforts. I also take this opportunity to appreciate the SPSR initiative to institute the Excellence Award by recognizing the distinguished academicians, researchers, women leaders, young achievers. SPSR is not only honoring the excellence, but also inspiring the next generation to aim higher and break the boundaries, contribute meaningfully to the profession. As I look at this gathering, both virtual and global, I feel confident that future of pharmaceutical education and science in India and beyond is in India and beyond is in safe hand. I congratulate SPSR team for its dedication, extend my best wishes, and many more such milestone to achieve in the coming years. Thank you once again for this honor. Congratulations to all awardees and participants. My heartfelt gratitude to everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sanjay Jain, sir, for gracing the occasion. And now I am honored to invite our guest of honor, Professor Ranjit Singh, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shobhit University, Gango, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Your presence is a testament to your deep commitment to advancing education and research. We eagerly look forward to your insightful perspective and inspiring message. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Pradeep. Gango is in Saharanpur, not in Meerut. Correction, please.
Sorry, sir.
Gratitude, good morning, pranam, namaste to all. And I'm very happy and honored to be part of this 100th SPSR webinar and Excellence Award ceremony. My gratitude to Dr. Shashi Alok, Monika, and all the members of SPSR who made it possible for me to share my views and made it possible for me to meet so many old friends, old seniors. Thank you very much. Monika, the convener of this webinar, guest of honor, Dr. Sanjay Jain, Professor Sanju Nanda, the president, Dr. Shashi Alok, Pradeep, Saurav, Rishabh, Sanjay Namdev, Ankur, and all dear participants, the very important, from across the globe. For me, it is a matter of great honor, and I am really elated and full of gratitude that I got this chance to share my views uh, on this 100th SPSR webinar. So this is when you score 100 runs, now you clap for that. So this is clapping from my side for this 100 number. It is a big feat, big achievement, and very nicely mentioned by Dr. Shashi that how much efforts you need to put into organize such webinars, and then ensuring participation of all the delegates. So that is very important. When delegates are not obviously in front of you, my deepest congratulations, heartfelt congratulations to all the team of SPSR, and I am very much sure that this commendable work and these commendable achievements will be continued in future also, and the platform that you provide for knowledge sharing and collaboration, which are very important aspects, will continue successfully and sustainably. Now, if I go to the theme of the seminar, then obviously we are talking about future. We have mentioned AI, innovation, and industry-ready education. And one important prospect that added by Dr. Sanjay Jain, socially ready. It is also important. Very pertinent theme, very timely theme, and we all are witnessing many changes since last 5 years. If we see in higher education ecosystem, and obviously pharmacy is included in that ecosystem. When with the advent of certain policies like national education policy, national credit framework, outcome-based education, and our regulatory agency, Pharmacy Council of India, is doing much more in revising the syllabus in tune with, in line with the time. This is the time where technology is playing a very important role, and I'm sure that the talk by Dr. Deependra will be very useful, where he will be highlighting the use of technology and how we can upskill ourselves, how can we reskill, and how we can learn new skills to be future ready. So that is very important. These technologies they came to our rescue, especially during COVID 2020, when we faced many problems in year 2020 and onwards, and then they become part of our routine professional life, and as well as professional life and personal life, of course. The technology, future ready, AI, innovation, synergy, leverage, disruption, paradigm shift. These all are buzzwords, and they are very important in these times. So we have to make ourselves ready as well as our students ready. Upgradation of the syllabi is one part, then effective delivery of the syllabi is another part. We are talking about not only of say lecture, practical or tutorial, but experiential learning is added in national credit framework, where almost 50% of the notional hour, if you say one credit is equal to 30 notional hour, so 15 notional hour will be dedicated to experiential learning. For pharmacy, experiential learning is not something new, but yes, use of technology in getting things done, whether it's a drug discovery or simply teaching methodology, pedagogy, we have to make ourselves well aware with the technology. We have to skill ourselves and use technology as a tool. In the preliminary discussion, Dr. Deependra mentioned, when you use it as a tool, it is of great advantage. We have to control the technology, not to allow the technology to control us. So when technology is there, when data is there, and technology is helping us in the compilation or analysis of data, then obviously we will be able to go for what you call as technology-driven decisions. And when you take such decisions, they definitely increase the efficiency, operational efficiency in every field of professional or personal life. Skilling, upskilling, learning new skills is important. The old things like learning, unlearning, relearning is important. Self-learning will play a very important role. Material is available on virtual platforms, and we have to find out that material and we have to learn. We have to enhance our skills. And if you resort to self-learning, then obviously self-learning leads to self-efficacy. And along with this, I will must emphasize technology is important. Your skilling, upskilling is important, but at the same time, I think your complete well-being is important, where your health, be it physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, financial, social. There are so many, parts of health. There are so many dimensions of health. So you should be healthy physically and mentally. Only then you can perform. So self-care, self-learning, self-efficacy, self-esteem, and self-respect, it will play a very important role, because if a person is healthy all round, then he or she can perform. So I must say that such webinars, such deliberations, they play an important role in dissemination of knowledge, in somehow nurturing the collaboration, which is lifeline, because we are also talking in NEP about how to finish those silos, to finish those boundaries, so that we work together as a team. So at the end, I will congratulate whole the team of SPSR for this wonderful webinar on a very pertinent topic, and also a wonderful initiative by instituting these excellence awards, where you are going to recognize the contribution of the professionals. I wish you all the best. I wish all the participants a happy learning. And it is rightly said by Monika that we have to connect, learn, and grow. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Professor Ranjit Singh, sir, for blessing us with your inspirational message. And finally, I am delighted to invite our special guest, Professor Sanju Nanda, former HOD, Dean, and Chairperson, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, India. Over to you, ma'am.
Namaskar. Good morning to all. Respected distinguished guests, Professor Ranjit Singh, Professor Sanjay Jain sir, Professor Deependra Singh ji, the team of SPSR, some I know, Dr. Monika Sabharwal, Dr. Shashi Alok, Dr. Pradeep Golani, and all other teammates who actually are behind the scene, and definitely all the participants who are here to witness a great day of the 100th webinar, which is on a special note also, where the excellence is being awarded and recognized. I'm really honored and happy to be a part of this organization or this system in various forms from quite some years. And I'm actually very delighted and feel good to be associated, because they maintain and keep on upgrading the quality of work, and they maintain the ethical standards of publication, ensure that apart from helping our co-professionals, supporting them, they also ensure that value goes into the publication. Recently, they have started for quite maybe it's 100, so 100 weeks. Earlier, they had started this new system of conducting webinars, which is actually, I feel, so well taken, and which is, I can see, because even I gave once a webinar and I realized that they connect the whole world through it. And the way they have increased their subscription levels or number of subscribers, it shows their genuine intentions, the hard work that goes into the work, and definitely honoring people in the month of September, the teachers, the ex-professionals, if not on 5th, at least this week of September, this month of September. I believe this shows their dedication and intention to honor professionals and people who are contributing to the education and like spread or what do you call use of pharmacists and the services. So I congratulate them for holding these webinars, and also congratulate them on this 100th webinar, which is really something which is unique, and a lot of efforts must have gone through it. We are also, I personally feel this is such a good occasion to have Dr. Deependra Singh as an eminent speaker and expert today. It makes it so relevant because this is the need of the hour. And listening to him would really make us feel how our profession is going in our country and for the benefit of the whole global humanity or humanity at large. So I take this opportunity to thank them for inviting me and honoring me and making me feel more special, especially when you are recently retired from various positions. You really feel good. And secondly, I wish them all the best. Uh, Congratulate them for this 100th webinar, the whole team, everybody, to the last person involved in this, and wish them a lot of many more such endeavors which they plan in future, and wish them great health and teamwork so that it is possible. Thank you once again for making me join you. Thank you so much and best wishes. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, Professor Sanju Nanda, for the words of appreciation. Now moving on to our speaker's profile, Dr. Deependra Singh sir. Dr. Deependra Singh is a professor at the University Institute of Pharmacy, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and serves as the chairman of Education Regulation Committee and Central Council member, Pharmacy Council of India. With more than 21 years of teaching and research experience, Professor Singh has established himself as a leading academician and researcher in pharmaceutical sciences. His work focuses on bioactive delivery systems, wound management strategies, advanced statistical and mathematical modeling, and novel formulations of plant actives and extracts. He has published over 150 research and review papers, 40 book chapters, and 4 books with Elsevier and CRC Press. His research excellence is widely recognized with citations exceeding 9,000 in Google Scholar, an H index of 37, and I10 index of 183. In Scopus, he holds an H index of 33 with more than 4,100 citations. He is an inventor of 2 international and 2 Indian patents, with 2 more patents filed. Professor Singh has successfully completed projects funded by UGC, AICTE, DST, ICMR, CCOST, and industry partners. His achievements include the APTI CJ Shishu Award 2023, ICMR Young Indian Biomedical Scientist Award in 2019, UGC Raman International Fellowship in 2014, and the UGC Research Award in 2012. He was also honored with the Young Scientist Award in 2006. Internationally, Professor Singh has collaborated with institutions in the USA, Australia, Malaysia, and Indonesia. He is a life member of IPA, APTI, and ISP, currently serving as the Vice President, Central Zone of APTI and IPGA. His recognitions as one of the top 2% scientists worldwide underscores his impactful contribution to the pharmacy research and education. It is with great satisfaction and pride that we declare that we have exceeded 2,500 registrations for this webinar. Registrations are received from India, Albania, Algeria, Angola, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Benin, Bhutan, Cameroon, Cyprus, Dubai, Egypt, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Iraq, Kenya, Malaysia, Mexico, Nepal, Nigeria, Oman, Pakistan, Philippines, Poland, Romania, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, Sudan, Turkey, UAE, USA, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, and Yemen. We are deeply moved by the substantial and varied responses we have garnered. Our heartfelt gratitude is extended to each person who has taken a moment to participate in this significant event. Thank you all for joining us today. Let's make this webinar an insightful and enriching experience for everyone involved. We have our esteemed keynote speaker, Professor Deependra Singh, sir, with us. Welcome, sir. Your insights would be highly valuable, and I would appreciate if you could present them in a speech. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Pradeep. Indeed, a pleasure again with you all. And at the outset, I'm very thankful to Dr. Shashi and Dr. Monika, and, because everybody is working for themselves, and people who are working for the profession of pharmacy are deeply appreciated. And I know what is the pain of making a professional approach or doing the programs like this. So I'm very much thankful to them that they are taking this pain and enhancing our profession and contributing to our profession. A very warm good afternoon to all of you. I think so. We are in afternoon. No, it is morning, 15 minutes to, so a very warm good morning to all of you. And indeed a pleasure to give the 100th your webinar, to be as a speaker in the 100th webinar series. Respectful guest, today's guest, Dr. Ranjit Singh sir, Sanjay sir, Sanju ma'am, and ma'am was saying that I'm recently retired. Teachers never retired, madam. We will not never let you go anywhere.
Yeah, I correct myself from active service. I said
yeah,
yes.
definitely no
I'm
active service. Still, it is an active service.
Okay,
And
thank you so much for
that. So you have to be part of the system always, and you
I am.
to work as a motivator of us. We have seen grown, seeing all our seniors that since how they're working for the profession, and
thank you so much.
still they are guiding us. Sanjay Jain sir is there, Ranjit Singh sir is there, and I'm very happy that all are from same alma mater. We are sharing the same alma mater. So again, this is a coincidence and a pride for us that we all are here. And definitely, if you'll see the time, what I always say, this is a very changing time. And we are there is a debate, always a debate. Either when we started with the computer, there was a debate. When the mobile came, there was a debate. When the even calculator came, there was a debate. Either if you are going to use the calculator, either you are losing we were having a very good arithmetic system, Indian system, where we were not requiring any gadgets, and we are calculating like we are very proficient in calculations. But again, along with the technology, or using that technology as a tool, is always a beneficial for the that work what you are involved, or what the target you are having. So it is very important to use the things very judicious. I'm also very thankful to all the team members who are involved in this webinar. Dr. Monika is taking effort. Dr. Sasi is he is a president. Dr. Pradeep, Dr. Golani, the today's host, and Dr. Bhanot is there. He is working hard. Dr. Kose, Dr. Agarwal, Dr. Nagdev, all a very active member. Along with that, I know there are a lot of members who are associated with the society. So I'm also having deep regards for them, that they all are doing very hard work, because this is only possible when a team is working. So I'm very happy that team is working very hard. And definitely what the effort you are making to enhance the profession, definitely it will come into we will see the results, and we are watching the outcomes of it. A lot of senior peoples there, and as Sashi said, it is very difficult to arrange speakers on Sunday. So I'm very happy that such senior peoples are associated with that, and we are part of it. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. And the effort can be seen, I think so, almost all from all the alphabets, all the countries are associated away. Some alphabet missed, but almost all the alphabet are included for the countries from the people who have registered for this webinar. So again, congratulations to all of you for getting this success. So friends, today I'm going to present one that is the responsibility is given to me by Sashi, that I have to talk on this day, and this is the 100th webinar. And you know, we have just one topic what we have selected, that is a very burning topic, and it is again a topic of debate. And we all know that we are also transforming our curriculum, or we are changing our curriculum to the present need. So what it is going there, why it is required, what AI is there, how it is helping us. So that will be again that is a part of my talk. So I'll share my presentation, and then I'll try to finish it fast, because I know Shashi has arranged so many things, and again he has to continue with it. So I'll be interacting with you on this topic, that preparing future pharmacists, AI, innovation, and industry ready education. If you'll see, if you'll see the current scenario, when I started, I'm telling you ki we have since last one or more than 1.5 years we are working for the syllabus. And when I started, at that time it was a term, AI was made very common to everybody, and the phrase came ki it is going to change everything. We heard that, and within 6 months, lot of tools, lot of that apps and the chatbots and chats, they came into existence, and they changed the things. Though the AI is not very new for pharmacy professionals, because if you'll see the history of AI in pharmaceutical research, since so long we are using it. But again, now we are requiring a professional pharmacist, that they should be in line with the current trends, because the changes which comes with the technology, it is very fastly adopted by the industry and other professional areas in which we have to work in that. So again, it is very much required from a pharmacist, that if you are going to any of the field, what is the current trend which is going on, because you cannot deny this fact that you have to work on the platform where if you're joining any company or any professional area, where you have to work on the platforms what they have made. It is always a opportunity to innovate, but initially you have to work on that platform. So it is very much required that what it is going on and how we are working with it. So if you'll see the time, again, definitely this is the need of the hour, that digital transformation is going on. Why we are talking about this topic? Because if you'll see the digital transformation, it is going on everywhere. Either you will talk in the exchange of money, you will talk in the research, you will talk in the academics, you will talk in the community. Everywhere it is there, and you have to be very much digitally informed. And AI integration, if you'll see, the AI came, and AI is integrated in every area. Because the people who are we are in academics, I have seen that I'm a very simple example I'm taking with you, that making of a presentation in an effective manner, it took long time. What the teachers, specifically as a teacher, when we have to make a presentation, then a lot of effort was made and time was devoted to making a presentation, though it was not required, or though it can be avoided if anybody is making a very effective presentation for you, and you are only concentrating over the quality of the material what you are delivering. So if you'll see, if I am integrating my work with this, then again I am saving so much time, and I am having time to deliver what it is required to be delivered to the students. That is the quality of the material what I am delivering. So if you'll see, again, the AI integration is very much required. So this is the transformation is required. Evolving the industry expectation, as I said you ki the what the technology it is existing or coming, or which is in trend, the industry adopts it so fastly, because always the economics is involved in that, and they have to compete globally. You cannot say that ki I'll not do because it is because I am not liking it. because if this is now the whole world is a open for everybody, and even I can say we are living in a very big village, or the whole world become a village, and where everybody knows everybody, and there is a worldwide competition for everybody. So here it is required that you have to be informed, you have to adopt the technologies to match or to inline with all the industries what they are working, because this is a very competitive world. We know that we are in pharmacy, and the industry, pharmaceutical industry, is very competitive. If you'll see how we are competing, the biggest market is US, and we are having more US FDA approved organizations in India. So you can understand how fastly we are adopting and what the effort we are making in that. So again, the transformation of this education, these are the reason that why I have to, if I'll go to the traditional part of evolution of pharmacy, again, you can see traditionally we started with the dispensing and giving the products or medications with the natural sources. Then again, we extended the services up to the clinical consultation and medication and therapy. If then again, in the modern pharmacy, if you'll see, the data become very important. So data analysis, personalized medicine, and technology integration, again, we worked, and we worked for it. And now we are what we are expecting, that it is because it is said that the people who will be able to handling the data, they will dominate the world. So the data becomes so important. So handling a big data is again a very important area and a very important issue for the pharmacy professionals. And if you can see that that is information what we are getting. So now the information is not an issue. How you are using that information, that is an issue. So again, it is very much required. That is modern. And if you see the future vision for this, that AI powered decision making and digital health leadership. So AI is going to change the things, because we those who are involved in that, fortunately I am involved in that, I'm aware of that, and that what AI and where AI is getting used, and how the quality of the work is changed due to that, it is very important. So this is the progression what we are having, and we have to work for it. If now, why change now? Why we are talking this change in this time? Because there is a rapid tech advance, and I always say we are living in the era where the fastest change are taking place. Every time if you'll talk to any of the senior, they will talk about the changes what they have seen. But right now, the speed of the change, that is very fast. So that is, if you'll see in the healthcare technology, that it is evolving so fast, and that what we in the traditional education system, which can what we are having to that cannot adapt for this. Again, as I said, this is the one major reason that the data explosion. Healthcare generates more than 50% world data volume required for the new analytical skills. And nowadays, prediction, market survey, need of the product, need of the services, this all depend on the data and prediction of the data where we are going. Then what is the basic objective what we are requiring for this? So if you'll see what it is expected, the very much first requirement is the digital literacy, that mastering the healthcare technologies and data management system, essential for the modern practice. If you'll see, if you are not aware, if you are not in line with this information, if you are not digitally literate, then again, there will be challenge for your professional journey. Critical thinking is again very much required, that how you are developing the analytical skills, the use of the AI in taking this decisions, recommendations, and very specific what the decision you are giving, that is again it is required in that. Then again, innovation skill or innovative skill is again very much required, because you are working in that system, and it is always said AI, what the AI will guide you, what the experience or the experience you have given or feed it to the AI till date. but day by day, every day, because as we are conscious, and day by every day we innovate. So innovation skill is again very much required for the pharmacist, for that to develop a new solutions and adapt to the emerging healthcare changes. Because every time you should be very cautious and you should be very active in that you have to adopt your the adaptability should be very fast, and you should be, at the same time, you should be innovative for solving the problem, getting the new getting the challenges and solving it. Again, it is required from you all. So this is very much required. Then why artificial intelligence, and what is the artificial intelligence? Because we are talking in the topic we have said. So just I try to summarize what it is, because everybody knows, but as a teacher I can say that you should know what exactly they are doing. So if you see the AI, it is a simulation of human intelligence in machine programmed to think, learn and make decision like humans. So you can replicate the intelligence of the human. So the work which can be carried out by one person in a that which required weeks to solve or to analyze, they can do in minutes. So this is AI, how AI. And if you see specifically in healthcare and pharmacy, AI possesses a vast amount of data to identify, as said, and the patterns, the prediction outcomes, the recommended treatments and other that world to be impossible for the humans to analyze manually. Because this is every time you will see the data will come. So again, it is very much required key with that what AI is doing. So AI is performing such works from drug discovery to patient care. Again, AI is very much involved. AI is have revolutionized the pharmaceutical professional work and make the decision, taking the decision in decision making. It is influencing very much. Then if you'll see, I'll talk about the AI applications and transforming healthcare. There are few major areas in which the AI is playing a very important role. First is diagnostic. There are a lot of areas. No area is untouched with the AI, but these are the major areas which I am talking about. If you see diagnostics, a very important area. And again, I'm telling you, this is a scope for us also, that if I'm talking about a topic and pharmacists and the professionals, then we are having a scope in which in this area we can work, we can integrate, we can have, though the lot of work is being already done, but there is always a scope, because day by day you are getting a challenge and you are having a scope to work very good in that area. So if you'll see in the diagnostics, again, the AI analyzes medical images, lab results with the superhuman accuracy. So that is very much required. If you'll see the softwares or tools like IBM Watson, which is mainly used by the oncologist for the cancer diagnostics, that is again, you can see how wonder it is doing. AI Doc is there, Index is there, Path AI is there, that they are working for the that is pathology predictions. So these are the some few important tools, and they made the work very easy. Like in the drug discovery, if you'll say, the drug discovery always a cumbersome work. We from the beginning, it is taught to us to develop a drug, at least 10 years time was required to from the discovery to the market. The time span was so long, but during the COVID, we have seen how the things can be expedited, how the new technologies have helped to develop a new molecule or new product which came into the market within 1 year. So that only possible because of the use of the technologies. They have reduced the work, they have reduced the time which was taken to analyze the things. So that is, again, if you'll see when the drug discovery area, a lot of tools are there, like Atomwise is there, which is using the AtomNet neural networks. In silico medicine, DeepCam, again, this is an open source Python library which is very helpful in the drug discovery. AlphaFold is again a very important tool which is there. Like that, if you I talk about the patient care or patient personalization is again a very important area in which the professionals are having scope, and we are working, and people are working very in that area. And that is again, we are having a lot of tools that we are and that which are we are tailored treatment plans based on the individual genetic and clinical profiles, because this is the future medicines. It is going to come, though it seems very tough for the countries like India or the countries where the number of people are very high, but still again we are having a scope, because personalized medicines are future of that medicine. And definitely, though it will this is my statement that it will come late to India, but again this is a competitive world, and in world it will be adopted, it is adopted very fast. So again, if you'll see the tools like Tempus and Okin, they are again very well taken in this area, and these AI tools are helping the people in this area. If I'll talk key domains AI in the pharmacy and key domains which is required. So data analysis, I said data from the beginning. I'm talking the data is very important. Processing patient records and medication histories and insights, specifically for the data related to that. Then in pharmacovigilance, again in pharmacovigilance, the AI is playing, or it is that is area that again it will play a very important role, and again still it is playing, but again there is a lot of scope that it will play a very important role, that real-time monitoring of the adverse drug reactions and safety signals that can be predicted. Prediction can be made with that. Then robotic dispensing is again a challenge, and we have to capitalize on it, because robot cannot work by themselves. Again, there is a person which is always required to expedite the things, to make them working. So again, this is an area where the robotic dispensing, because we have seen the countries, so many countries, that these robots has been adopted in the pharmacies, and they are dispensing the medicine. But again, I always say machine is helping us, and there is always a required conscious human to help them. So again, if you are having a mastering that area, you will have a lot of scope in that area. Then clinical decisions is again a very important area where the AI is going to play a very vital role. That AI powered recommendations for drug interaction and dosing. While if you are giving, because we know about the interaction, we know about the allergies with allotted, we know about the various severe side effect associated with the medications. But again, when the physician is prescribing the drug, it is sometime, it is always because they physicians are writing, and they are not aware of the either skipped or not aware of that interaction or the adverse effect along with the drug. It can be predicted very easily by auditing the prescription of that physician, and the pharmacist can suggest to him that this is having a such type of important interaction, so where again rethink about the prescription. So this is again a very important area. Then education reforms needed, on which that is always close to me, because I'm having a very clear opinion that every curriculum which is made at that time, it is very relevant, because that produced so many successful people, and India is leading, because so many times people have criticized in front of me the curriculum or the syllabus is lacking this is. So again, at the same time, I always answer in front of me, you are standing, you are on stage, and you are discussing with me this is not the syllabus is not good. We all are the product of that syllabus, and we are doing very good in that. So it is not about the syllabus, it is about the time and the changing time and adoption of that. So what the reforms which are required, on which we are working. So if I'll say in the curriculum, again there is I said we are, Ranjit sir said we are definitely last 5 years you will see there is tremendous changes going in every area. Specifically, if you'll talk about the education, we have implemented NEP 2020, and they are having a goal to make our curriculum, the very learned people have worked very hard on it, and they made that curriculum to make us global, and again to become the Vishwaguru for that. What the basics we were having once upon a time, we were the Vishwaguru, and again we are having a capability to become that. So what the steps to be required, what the step is required to achieve that? Again, the education system what we were having, or the way of teaching what we were having, again we are working again on it. So if you'll see what it is saying, that is interdisciplinary collaboration is required again to utilize the intelligence to your capability in maximum. We need to collaborate with the people who are interdisciplinary. So again, it is required the strategies in that digital lab implementation. I said key enabling hands-on digital laboratories for practical experience and cutting-edge pharmaceutical technology. Why I'm telling you? Because every time when we visit to that industry is always asking that people should come with some experience of the industry, exposure of the industry. But when we try to get this, then it becomes very difficult because the industries are having their own provisions. And if you'll see the total number of the pharmacy institutions and total number of the student, what they are in lakhs. So how industry will adopt for the even for the weak exposure to them for the your industry? So this is again a very important area in which that it should be taken care, that where we can give digital labs and can be established by to provide the hands-on training in the laboratories for the practicals. Then AI module development, again AI creating specialized artificial intelligence courses focused on the pharmaceutical application and use of with use cases. So there in the real time, they will give you a problem, solving the problem, and getting the real time experience for that again, and that is required. Then informatics and integration, adding the comprehensive health informatics modules to core pharmacy curriculum requirements. So we have already, if you'll see in the new curriculum, a lot of precautions has been taken, and that is we tried to made them part of it. Again, this is a very important area when we talk about the reform in the pharmacy education, faculty development and implementation challenges. As Ranjit has said, curriculum is not an issue. Curriculum is not an only constant on which we can talk. Again, how, because I always say that there are three parts of this system when we used to deliver. One is your teacher who is delivering, one is the media through which it is delivering, and third is the receiver, that is your students, final consumer or final end user of your every effort what we are making. And if you'll see NAP 2020, again it is saying the student should be kept at the first priority, and everything should be designed according to their requirement, or there to help them. So there are three parts, and we have to work on all the three parts. Curriculum source can be one area. We have to work on the quality of the teacher. We have to work on the media by which we are disseminating this information to the student. And again, the student is also, the receiver is also very important, because if we talk about the constant and quality of the output what the professionals are going into the market, then again we used to listen the complaints from the industry. We used to listen from the profession in which they are working, that the quality of the student is not good what we are expecting. So why it is so? So as I said, these are the three areas in which we have to work. So that is very important, that faculty upskilling and developmental priorities, comprehensive training programs to be educated to speed up the AI and digital technologies. Specifically, until they are not trained in that, because if you see the teachers, they are getting senior. Sometimes it becomes very difficult to them to adopt the newer technologies due to the long practiced technology what they are having. So this is again a challenge. So this is that it should be in the consideration to educating them and to making making adaptable to these technologies. So one that is also record resource allocation. I have already said strategy investment in technology infrastructure, software license, and digital learning platforms that should be again provided. So what these are the various key important challenges I have already said: addressing knowledge gaps and emerging technologies, securing adequate funding and digital transformation, balancing traditional and innovative teaching methods, and ensuring faculty buy-in and adoption. So as I discussed, these are the three. If you'll see the key areas in which we have to work, these are the key areas. And along with the curriculum, this is again, we have to work in this area. If I'll talk AI in pharmacy education, that again, AI is going to transform the pharmaceutical training and for the digital age. That is revolution in the pharmaceutical education through artificial intelligence and personalized learning and cutting edge technology integration. Because if you'll see, just a very small example I have taken to preparation of the your PowerPoint presentation. Along with that, we are now they made us they made us able to create so many informative, because if you'll see the outcome of the what we are delivering to the student, it is reflected by the student only. And everybody know that if you have initially we were using board and chalk, so there was a lecture, oral lecture, but we were unable to produce the visual effect in that. But now with the digital technologies, when you are giving or giving the information about a deep knowledge what you are having, a teacher is having related to that topic, and when again it is visually presented to the student, they are definitely the response or the result what will come out of it, it will be very different. So again, the AI is going to change, interferes lot of into the your education system. Again, personalized learning revolution, it is going to come with this, that we need adaptive platforms, virtual labs, and case-based simulations. As I said, it is very much required, and the AI is going to play a very important role in this. So we have to work in this area also. This is, again, it is going to play a very important role in assessing and the AI that is competence, that what project-based task, hands-on that is assignment that mirror real-world pharmaceutical challenges using AI tools. I already said it is very difficult to create a situation practically in the class, but by virtually we can create a class, we can give a practical training to them, we can expose to them in a such condition where they have to make the decision. So that is very going to be possible with the AI and mediated tools. Then in evaluating students' ability to navigate complex ethical decision in AI-driven healthcare, like in real time, they can see the challenges, they can take their decision, and ethical reasoning what they can produce for that. So that is, again, it is going to it is possible with the AI. And as I said, data interpretation, if you are getting the data, sometime it is very difficult. You are getting a bunch of data and you are it is due to the lack of time or cumbersome procedure, it is very difficult to analyze the data and give the interpretation of that data. So this area is, again, to be in this area, again the AI is going to play a very important role. So again, if I'll talk about that critical considerations during the ethical consideration while we are working with the AI, because everything, if it is, we talk about positive, just we always say that that drug is there is a curing the disease, but along with the drug there are so many side effects which comes with it. So technologies always bring so many ethical considerations and so many ethical questions, so many queries which is very much required. So in that, the first area, that data privacy, bias prevention, transparency, accountability, these all are very important, because when we go for the AI driven technologies or we go for the AI based working platforms, then they doesn't behave like a humans. What the prompt you are providing to them, what the information, what the instruction you are giving to them, accordingly they will react and they will give you the solutions for it. So these questions become very important, because we know that we are very responsible and very important component of the healthcare system, and these all points are very important when we are dealing with the patients. So again, these constituents should be taken care while we are working in that. Then this is the breaking down the adoption barrier. What are the problems and how we can break that barrier and we can adopt it. So resource limitations, addressing funding challenges throughout the strategic partnership and phased implementation and approaches. Again, it is a we are talking about the AI adaptability. We are talking about such platforms. But resource is very much a very important component on which we have to work. There is always a digital divide, ensuring equitable access to the technology and high-speed internet to all the students. Still, the availability of the high-speed internet is a challenge in many of the areas where our students are studying. So this is again a very much required area in which work. And faculty training. I've already said that faculty is a very important component, and faculty training is very much important to adopt this AI, to adopt the new challenges or new solutions, or new provisions which is given the syllabus. Again, that will be required. Then building a industry ready. Sorry, I moved. Building industry ready skills. Friends, when I was a student, I had heard about that there is a gap between academic research and industry adaptation, or academic teaching and industry, what the industry is requiring. But with the time I learned the gap, it is not like that we have not worked for that area, although we have not, the education system has not worked. But the problem is what the amount of effort we are making, the expectation or the gap is becoming more and more. Initially, the number of the pharmacists was very low. So gap was low, and we tried to fill the gap. But sequentially, again, if you'll see the number of people who entered in the profession, again, it was very large. When I was started my b.pharm, there were few hundred colleges all over the India. And if I'll talk the today's data, it is more than 6,000 colleges all over India. So you can understand what the number of output we are getting. And when number is associated, then we talk about the quality. Along with the number, what is the quality? So that is very much required. So though we have made so much effort, but again, as I said you in my early slides, that industry is very fastly adopting the technologies, and they adopt it, and as they are expecting, they adopt the technology, they are expecting the persons who are coming to their industry, they should work according to what the technology they are having. So that is the requirement. And we know that there is a uniform curriculum of pharmacy all over India. And correcting, if you'll see the last the changes what we have made in the syllabus, it was in 2014. So almost more than 10 years is there, and now we are revising it. Though at the time, with time to time, so many small changes or slight changes, it is already being adopted in the syllabus. So that is the issue. So my point was that it is not there that we are not making effort or not making the student industry ready, but there are circumstances and the conditions due to which it seems very big. So if you'll see what the industry is expecting, they are expecting a people with advanced communication and interpersonal skill. They are expecting cross-functional teamwork, collaborations, strategic leadership in healthcare setting, complex project management capabilities. So all these qualities which is required the student needs to be trained. So obviously, if you'll see the NEP 2020, if you'll see our new curriculum, we tried to incorporate the components which make the student proficient in this area. And we are expecting as we are giving training to our students, or we are training in our students in this area, definitely they will be more industry ready, and they will be more easily adopt the industry, and industry people will also appreciate. So this is again required. Then advantages to the students, if we'll talk that is about the AI, enhanced learning, personalized pathway, career readiness. I'm telling you, there are a lot of things which is for which we make at my time used to take a lot of time. I was going through one app that is like mind maps we have to make for a particular topic. It was a lot of time we were devoting on making a mind maps for a particular topic to revise at a time very fastly. But now if you have to design a mind map for any topic, you are having n number of AI tools in which you have to put your right prompt and they will make you for within seconds. So that is again, it is going to be helpful. And again, this situation is very challenging because what the technology the teacher is having in their hand, the students are also having in their hands. But the approach of using it is always very different. Sometimes for the ease of us, what it is required, very ethically it was required that we should work on that topic, and we have not worked, and we have taken the support of AI and we try to make it. So that again, there will be issue with this, because what the prompt, if I say write the topic, and if 10 people will be talking on that topic, and if all are taking help of AI, most of the time more than 60 to 70% their content will be similar, because the machine is trained like that. So that is again a very much important consideration, important issue. Though AI is going to help the students also, you have to train them how to rightly use it, how to make them personalize, how to according to their need, how they can utilize the AI tools. That is very much required. So again, for the students also, it is very helpful. The future starts now, that quote I have written, because the with the integration of the AI in pharmacy education, it is not that we are having an option for it. You have to go with it. If you'll see the last year changes in the curriculum, I'll be sharing with you. Almost all the countries have already integrated AI in their pharmacy curriculum. Either you'll talk about United States, you'll talk about some other European countries. They are already adopted. So more than a year they have already using it. So this is the future. So you have to adopt it. But again, as in the beginning Ranjit sir said, I am saying we have to use this all the technologies as a tool, not as a substitute of yourself. You are taking rest, you are wasting your time somewhere else, and very fastly, because you know it will work in a given span of time, it will work very fast, so you are using it. So this is not expected. You need not to be slave of that technology. You need to be master that technology. You should use them as a tool, as a source, to enhance your abilities, to enhance your performance, to give your better outputs, not to be substituted or people are working in place of you. So again, that will make the things very difficult. So this is very much required. A student equipped with the digital literacy, critical thinking, and innovative skill will lead the transformation of the healthcare, and they will be adopted very fast in that. And those who will not adopt these technologies, definitely they are going to face the challenges. Either teacher is there or student is there, you have to accept the condition, because this is going to come. So the question isn't whether to embrace AI in the pharmacy education, but how quickly we can implement it is that is a meaningful change. So if you'll see the current curriculum, in every semester we have given a 2 credit to the AI component, and that to be relevant in that area where we are working, so that our students should be very aware of this technology, because we cannot deny it is going to come, and it will be dominating all the area of the profession. So that is required, and we have kept in the curriculum also. Then AI accelerates the drug discovery. I have already discussed a lot of things, because they are having a lot of, because if you'll see the data management, even we are having a software where we have to work for a lot of time to be devoted on the literature survey. Now you are having AI supported so many apps that you just put your keywords with the 100 number of papers, and they will make summary for you within hours. So that is making our work very easy, and that is also helping that in the various area These AI tools are helping either for the rapid compound screening, predictive molecular behavior, drug repurposing opportunities, and reduce development cost. So if time is reduced, the manpower is reduced, definitely the total outcome of the product, what will make out of it, it will be cost effective. So these are the areas which are going to be influenced or already being influenced by the area. Again, the hands-on AI training, it is again very much required. The apps like DeepCam platform, I said, Schrodinger suite, real world platforms, these are this is very much required, that we should train our student in that particular areas, which the companies or the major companies, multinational companies, Indian majors are utilizing. So they should know about that thing. Clinical decision support system, again, AI driven records, interaction checks, smart recommendations. As I said, that in that case, your Tempus and Okin, these are the some apps which are helping us in this area. Patient care, AI chatbots, automated adherence, and virtual counseling. Again, virtual counseling, we are in the virtual lecture, but again, the smart and virtual counseling is also going to be part of the healthcare system. Recently, I was going through one project of the IIT students. They are trying to make a very smart board which will be with the patient, and maybe he is staying at the home, and patient is in his bed, that board is there. So in the real time, the physician can get the vitals of that patient, and in a timely manner they can suggest. So this is a product what they have made. So this is, in this way, it is going to change the things. So it is required that you should be very adopted, and you have to adopt it. So this is the few areas for which is available, and with the AI. Global collaboration through the technology, again, this is a very important. I already said the world has become very small, and AI can integrate you, collaboration can be easy through the in the research platform, collaborative digital environment, connecting researchers worldwide for the shared pharmaceutical innovation. If you'll see now, the open source, if you'll see, lot of companies, what the earlier they had last 5 to 10 years, they have made the research, what the data they are having, they have opened it for the people, they have opened it for the sharing, to make it or to be converted into a product. So a lot of companies, initially it was not a trend that companies used to research and give it to the others, but now, specifically after COVID, a lot of changes has been taken place, and companies and the universities, they have opened their resources, and through these technologies, these platforms, they are providing for the better collaboration. Cross-border learning is again an area, because that is easy when the technology enabled educational exchanges breaking down. Because if you'll see, it is like, if you're working on a similar platform, then the change of the ideas, change of the technology, it is very easy. Then knowledge exchange is again one area which is possible with this. Then what the challenge, what the artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical industry, specifically, I have already discussed, I have said, but again, that if you'll see, the AI in the pharma involves the learning AI powered system to enhance, optimize drug discovery, clinical trials, manufacturing, and marketing. So almost all the areas, it is going to be influenced by this. So these technologies help companies finding drug candidates, improve molecular design, develop precision medicine, eliminate manufacturing waste, and create content that resonate with the target audience. So now it is very specific what industry is requiring and what we are providing. So AI can be AI is going to be a very important tool to what they are requiring and what we are delivering. So why I'm multiple time I'm emphasizing, it is not like you are having an option. It is, you have to adopt it. Otherwise, you will be out of the system. So this is the time we have to adopt it. But at the same time, I said, adopt it as a tool only. So why, again, in the industry, Long drug development, I have already discussed what the time is required, and again the high attrition rate of the drug candidates, because the predictions about the what we can say, designing of that what the experiment we are performing, the type of and the way it is performed, it's all get changed. So the rate that is required, again raising the RCD cost. We know if you are having in the discovery, if you are devoting time, if you are devoting the manpower, if you're devoting your resources, definitely it will become costlier. So if you will do in less time with less manpower with more intelligence, then definitely the cost will be reduced. Then data overload, that is I have already discussed, so I'm not discussing much in that. Then AI in all pharmaceutical and study. This is the statistics I have given, ki how, why I have kept it, to emphasize you all that ki how it is changing, how it is impacting the whole industry. So if you'll see drug discovery, majority using AI for the drug research, around 80%. Investment in the AI, nearly all company invested in AI. Cost savings in clinical trials, we know that if you'll see the data, more than 70% being reported that there is a cost saving in the clinical trials. And AI reduced clinical trials cost significant, around 80%. Same if you'll see the growth in cancer diagnostics, then growth in the genomics, that in specifically in the personal medicine. So this is the data I have given you to emphasize that again, these are going to help us and they are helping us, so we have to adopt it. Application in AI in pharma, again there is few areas I have put it, in almost all the area in which we work: drug discovery, preclinical predictions, clinical trials, manufacturing, pharmacovigilance, and drug repurposing, drug approvals, supply chain, every from discovery to reaching to the market, even to dispensing to your dispensing the prescription to the candidate to the patient, till that every area is being influenced by the AI. And we are having in almost all area, we are having a very effective tools which are making the things easier and fast. So this is the future of pharma with AI, and this is what I credit goes to, this credits for the slide. I'm sharing that credit goes to Dr. Vishal of JSS Mysuru. He has prepared this slide and I'm using, he has shared with me, so I am using with the gratitude to him. He have prepared. So this is the that he predicted, we were discussing and he made this slide for us, that AI, quantum and biotech, they are going to change the scene. If you'll see the combination of area that AI and biotech impacting the precision medicine, and if you'll see AI, quantum, drug simulation, biotech and quantum, biomolecular modeling, all the three unified platforms, design, test, and personalized drugs in the silico before clinical trials. So this they are going to be impact the every area of the research and every area of the pharmacy where profession is practiced. Then this is the industry's demand and tech savvy graduates. Employees seeking pharmaceutical companies are asking for it. If you'll see the salary, definitely the people with the digitally informed, digitally trained, having a tech information, and they are tech savvy. So there is a, this is a figure what I've got, ki they're 3x time they are paid for it. Innovation focus, again there the industry is requiring people. If you'll see the company's requirement, this is in terms of percentage of what they are adopting. So that's why I have kept there, key you need to be very much trained in this area, and that will result into the better salaries and better perks for you all. And these are some success stories I have put it for you, that St. James College implemented AI-driven drug discovery simulations, resulting into 40% improvement in the student engagement and research outcomes. This is one data I got. And again, it is from the Belmont University that integrated machine learning modules into the pharmacy curriculum, producing graduates with advanced data and analytical skills. So this is I am putting because it is the need of the hour. We have to go for it. We have to adopt it. If again, innovation culture and pharmaceutical training. I have already discussed much about that. Innovation mindset is very much required. That will be fostering entrepreneurial thinking and healthcare solutions, because countries like us, in the past few years, you have seen we have worked very good in the that is in entrepreneurship. We are having some good companies, or that specifically the young minds, they have created some idea and they capitalize over it, and now they are converted their companies into million dollars companies. So in research excellence for this, again, that is required. Critical thinking, so I have discussed a lot of things, already discussed much on that, so I'm not talking much on this. Then strategic industry partnership, again, it is required to as we are, if we are talking into our topic, to be make our students more industry ready. So strategic industry partnership is again required to reach your, or to achieve your targets. So internship programs, research projects, and guest lectures from the industry, this is very much required, that to give the real-time exposure to them. And as a stakeholder, we should always work in this area. Council is also working in this area. They have made MOU with the so many that association of the pharmaceutical companies, for the purpose of training of the teachers, and for the purpose of training of the students. And very soon you will have on the web also. This is the AI integrated pharmacy, that is graduates, which is required if you are adopted with this versatile, adapted, future focused, and leadership ready. So this will make you a very effective pharmacist, and you will be versatile, adaptive, future focused, and leadership ready. This is the key takeaway points what I have just want to summarize, that what the strategic benefits you are having. AI integration enhances the learning outcome, industry readiness, and innovation and capacity in the pharmaceutical education. Implementation roadmap, stakeholders must address barrier through funding, training, strategic partnership for successful adoption. As I said, all the stakeholders need to be work in that, and finance is very important, where we have to make our minds to invest in this asset. Then call to action. The time is now to transform pharmacy education to prepare graduates for an AI-driven healthcare. So this was well taken by the council, and we have adopted all the AI into the new syllabus. And I am sharing with you all that it is all already on the web for your suggestions. And again, from this platform also, I'm asking you all, if you are having any good idea related to that, kindly provide your idea and suggestion related to the syllabus in the prescribed format we are having. So thank you so much for listening me patiently. And I always say, when there is a wind of change blow, some find shelters and some make windmills. So choice of yours as academic leaders. So what I always expect, that we will prepare a windmill, and definitely we will convert the disaster into energy, and we will use that energy for the betterment of our professions. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Professor Deependra Singh, sir, for your insightful and thought-provoking lecture. Your talk on preparing future pharmacists, AI, innovation, and industry-ready education has truly enriched today's session. Your expertise and clarity have shed light on how academia, industry, and emerging technologies can converge to shape the next generation of pharmacists. I'm confident that all the participants have gained valuable knowledge and new perspectives from your presentation. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, sir, thank you, sir. And now, sir, there are some questions from the participants. The first one is, how can pharmacy institutions train students to effectively use AI tools for drug discovery and clinical decision support?
As I already told you, there are, because first of all, we need to know that area, and we need to ethically, now it will be the part of your curriculum. So definitely every area of the pharmacy where the AI is implemented, it is already being integrated in the syllabus. So definitely in the coming time, People will be more aware, more acquainted with that, and it will be part. As we just, I always give example, when Windows came, people ask you how we are going to use Windows. When it is in your hands, when you are having a guidance, when you are having resources, then very effectively you use it. So same will be implemented. So nothing is challenge for that. I always say na, for students, ki nobody tell you ki if you get a new mobile, and nobody tell you ki how to use it. So you get your
Right.
mobile, you learn it, because this is a very smart generation and technology adoptive generation. So I'm very sure that they will adopt it.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. The next one is, sir, what are the key expectations? What are the key industry expectations from pharmacy graduates today?
In my presentation, always I given that they are requiring skill, having with good communication, along with that critical thinking, problem solving, to be having attitude to working in collaboration in a group, and to be innovative also, at the same time innovative also. So this is the expectation of the, because if you see the industry platform, they are always having a very smart and very efficient system which is working there. So they are requiring a very adaptable people who can inline with their they can go and adapt themselves in their platforms, and very effectively they can amalgamate themselves into the teams. Effectively they should communicate to the hierarchy. Along with that, they should, at the same time, they should be innovative. If there is some problem is
Right,
there,
sir.
then they should solve it.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. The last one is, sir, what changes do you envision in the role of pharmacist over the next decade, especially with the AI integration?
Definitely the will be more enhanced. I am very optimistic and I am very positive for the profession ki the way we are performing, the way we are getting adopted, accepted by the people. So our role will be more important, and the role will be more enhanced. And the coming decade, I have said you is there are a lot of areas in which the pharmacists are working. So again, there will be few more new areas which will be open for the pharmacists. And one such area is the nutrition area, where because we are aware of the medicine, we are aware of the natural products. So nutrition field is very much area which is going to be again available for the pharmacists. So I am very positive for pharmacists that next decade the role of pharmacists will be more prominent and more improved in the healthcare system.
Thank you very much, Professor Deependra Singh, sir, for patiently addressing all the questions with such clarity and depth. Your detailed responses have not only expanded our understanding of today's theme, that is preparing future pharmacists, AI innovation and industry education, but also inspired us to think critically about the future of our profession. On behalf of the Society of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research and all the participants of this landmark 100th SPSR webinar, we sincerely appreciate your valuable time, enriching insights, and thoughtful engagement with the audience. Your presence has truly made this milestone event memorable, and we look forward to learning from you again in the future SPSR programs. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Pradeep.
So with that, we conclude today's enlightening session. Once again, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed speaker, Dr. Deependra Singh, sir, for sharing his valuable knowledge and wisdom with us. So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now it is the time to move to the much awaited part of the 100th SPSR webinar celebration, the SPSR Excellence Awards 2025. The SPSR Excellence Awards have been instituted to honor individuals who have demonstrated outstanding dedication, innovation, and impact in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. These awards celebrate the contributions of academicians, researchers, scientists, industry professionals, and young achievers who continue to inspire and strengthen the mission of SPSR. We are proud to recognize and felicitate such distinguished personalities today. The first award category is the SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025, an honor bestowed upon individuals with a long-lasting commitment and exceptional contributions to the advancement of pharmaceutical sciences. The first SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 is presented to Professor Ranjit Singh, Vice Chancellor, Shobit University, Gango, Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Professor Ranjit Singh is an eminent academic leader and director of the Adarsh Vijayendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. He earned his b.pharm, m.pharm, and PhD in pharmaceutical sciences from Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar, Madhya Pradesh, between 1989 and 1997, achieving multiple gold medals and fellowships during his academic journey. With more than 3 decades of experience in academics, research, and administration, Professor Singh has held leadership roles at institutions such as Sun Pharma Advanced Research Center, HNB Garhwal University, ISF College of Pharmacy, Bara University, CT Group of Institutions, and Shobit University. He has received more than 49 prestigious awards, including the Distinguished Alumnus Award, SPER Eminent Teacher Award, Best Principal Award, Global Teacher Award, India's Most Impactful Vice Chancellor Award, and several Lifetime Achievement Awards. Recently, he was honored with the Outstanding Vice Chancellor of India Award 2025 by IEN and conferred the honorary rank of Colonel by the Ministry of Defense, NCC Directorate, New Delhi. His scholarly contributions include over 225 publications, 28 book chapters, 15 patents, and supervision of 30 plus PhD scholars. Widely respected as a reviewer, editor, and advisor, he also serves as an expert for AICTE, PCI, NBA, and NAC. Professor Singh's research spans drug discovery systems, phytopharmaceuticals, herbal excipients, and targeted therapies, making him a distinguished leader in pharmaceutical sciences. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to Professor Ranjit Singh sir on receiving the SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. Congratulations, sir. The second SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 is presented to Professor Sanju Nanda, former HOD, Dean and Chairperson, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, India. Professor Nanda earned her b.pharm and m.pharm from Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar, PhD from IIT Delhi, and LLB honors from MDO, Rohtak. With 30 plus years of teaching and nearly 2 decades of research, she has guided 64 m.pharm dissertations and 11 PhD scholars, publishing over 110 research and review papers. Her research focuses on cosmetics, plant-based dosage forms, regulatory affairs, and consumer safety. She has authored 6 books, 29 book chapters, 9 e-content modules, and contributed a monograph for the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. Professor Nanda has delivered 125 plus invited talks worldwide, including at the government of South Korea in 2013, and has held leadership roles such as Chief Warden and Chairperson, the Board of Studies at MDU. She has received numerous accolades, including the illustrious Alumnus Award in 2016 and recognition among the world's top 2% scientists, Stanford in 2024. We extend our congratulations to Professor Sanju Nanda on receiving the SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. The third SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 is presented to Professor Sanjay Jain sir, Professor and Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Medicaps University, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. With more than 30 years of academic research and industry experience, Professor Jain is recognized as a respected leader in pharmaceutical education. An alumnus of Dr. H.S. Gaur University, Sagar, He has contributed significantly to the herbal drug standardization, modern analytical techniques, and novel drug delivery systems. He has published 90 plus research papers, delivered 100 plus conference presentations, authored 2 textbooks and several book chapters, and guided 12 PhD scholars and over 80 m.pharm students. Many of his mentees now hold prominent positions in academia and industry. Professor Jain has organized 20 plus national and international conferences and workshops, providing invaluable platforms for professional exchange. His contributions have recognized early on with the Young Scientist Award in 1993 from MPCOST and the CSIR Senior Research Fellowship. He is also an active member of professional bodies such as an Indian Society of Pharmacognosy, IPA, APTI, and MP Pharmacy Graduate Association. We proudly congratulate Professor Sanjay Jain on receiving the SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. Congratulations, sir. The 4th SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award is presented to Professor Deependra Singh, sir. He is a professor at University Institute of Pharmacy, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, India, and also the chairman of Education Regulation Committee, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. With 21 plus years of teaching and research experience, Professor Singh has established himself as a leader in bioactive delivery systems, wound management, advanced modeling, and novel formulations of plant actives. He has authored 150 plus papers, 40 book chapters, and 4 books with citations exceeding 9,000 and H-index of 37. He is an inventor of 2 international and 2 Indian patents and has completed projects funded by UGC, AICTE, DST, ICMR, and Chhattisgarh Cost and Industry Partners. His honors include the APTI CJ Shishu Award in 2023, ICMR Young Indian Biomedical Scientist Award in 2019, UGC Raman Fellowship in 2014, and the UGC Research Award in 2012. Recognized among the top 2% scientists worldwide in Stanford Elsevier from 2020 to 24. Professor Singh has also collaborated with institutions in the USA, Australia, Malaysia, and Indonesia. We congratulate Professor Deependra Singh, sir, for receiving the SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. Congratulations, sir. The 5th SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award is presented to Professor Ashish Baldi. He is a professor in Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, and also director IQAC at Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Batinda, Punjab, India. With 20 plus years of experience in pharmaceutical sciences, biotechnology, and academic administration, Professor Baldi has served as a dean, registrar, director, and chief mentor for the BCL AICTE Idea Lab. He was also conferred with the National Award to Teachers in 2023 by the Honorable President of India and has been recognized among the top 2% scientists worldwide in pharmacy and pharmacology by Stanford Elsevier between 2019 to 2023. His accolades include the APTI Pharmacy Teachers of Eminence Award and ISTE Best Faculty Award. His scholarly portfolio includes 164 research papers, 11 books, 50 book chapters, 15 patents, and 2 transfer technologies. He has guided 7 PhD and 58 m.pharm scholars and executed major research projects funded by ICMR, DST, IOSH, AICTE, and ICSSR. Professor Baldi is a fellow of the Linnean Society, London, and an active member of 13 professional bodies. He has delivered 90 plus invited talks and organized 75 plus professional events. We extend our warmest congratulations to Professor Ashish Baldi on receiving the SPSR Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. After the presentation of SPSR Lifetime Achievement Awards 2025, I, Dr. Pradeep Golani, am delighted to invite Mr. Rishabh Bhanot sir to kindly proceed for further and announce the SPSR Members and Women's Award 2025. Over to you, Rishabh sir.
Thank you, Dr. Pradeep Golani sir. Very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rishabh Bhanot. It is my privilege to introduce the SPSR members and the Women's Award 2025. These awards are conferred to acknowledge and to celebrate the dedication, achievements, and innovations of our distinguished members and the women professionals in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. They highlight the outstanding contribution of academicians, researchers, scientists, professionals, and the women leaders who, through their work, continue to strengthen the vision and the mission of SPSR and promote excellence and inspire the next generations. With a great pride, that has now begun the announcement of awardees for the SPSR members and Women's Award 2025. So, our first award goes to Professor Mai Chunwei, the Professor Acting Deputy Director, Research, Strategy and Innovation, Head Center of Excellence, Center for the Cancer and the Stem Cell Research, Institute for the Research, Development and Innovation, also known as IDI, IMU University, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, with the SPS Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Late Shri Rajaram Memorial Award in recognition of their outstanding achievement, contribution, dedication in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and life science disciplines. So our next is Dr. Q. Ling, the Associate Professor, UCSI University, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, in the category of SPSR Late Shri Rajaram Memorial Award for their outstanding achievement and the contribution toward the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So the next category is next award goes to Professor Vimal Kumar, Dean, School of Pharmacy and the Sciences at ITM SLS Rodha University, Vadodara, Gujarat, India, under the category of SPSR Late Shri Rajaram Memorial Award for their outstanding and recognition work done in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next award goes to Professor Gir Mohammad Ishaq, Professor of Pharmacology, Director and the Director of Lifelong Learning, University of Kashmir, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, India, and the category of SPSR Education Excellence Award for their outstanding work and contribution in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So our next award goes to Professor Shankar K. Singh, the Senior Principal Scientist, Pharmacology Division, CSIR, Indian Institute of Integrated Medicine, Jammu, India, under the category of SPSR Excellence in the Pharmaceutical Research for their outstanding contribution and work done in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next award goes to the Dr. Vinod Tiwari, sir, Associate Professor, the Department of Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology, Indian Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India, under the category of SPSR Excellence in the Pharmaceutical Research Award for their outstanding work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next award is Mr. Ranjit Varshikar, the CEO, QBD International, Quality by Design, CGMP Consulting, b.pharm, Pharma, United Nations Advisor, Geneva, has been honored with the SPR Excellence, SPR Industry Leadership Award for their outstanding work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next award goes to Professor Preeti Venugopalan Suresh, Professor, University Institute of Pharmacy, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, India, under the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award for their contribution toward the pharmaceutical science and allied disciplines. So next category is Dr. Gaurav Goyal, the DGM and Transdermal and F&D, Zydel Life Sciences Limited, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, under the category of SPSR Industry Leadership Award in recognition of outstanding contribution and dedication and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical science and allied disciplines. Our next awardee is Dr. Deependra Singh, sir, the Principal Scientist of Pharmacology and the Toxicology Laboratory, CSR, Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, under the category of SPSR Excellence in the Pharmaceutical Research Award for their outstanding work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. The next award is Dr. Paveen Katiyar, Associate Professor, School of Health Sciences, CSJMU Kanpur, Honorable Professor, IMA College of General Practitioner and IMA New Delhi, India, under the award category of SPR Community Impact Award for their outstanding work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next award goes to Dr. Ajay Kumar Gupta, Associate Professor, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India, has been honored with the SPR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award for their outstanding and excellent work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next award goes to Dr. Himanshu Pandey, Director CTE and Deputy Registrar, Central University of Higher Tibetan Studies, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Late Shri Raja Ram Memorial Award in recognition of their outstanding work and contribution in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next word go to Dr. Mayank Kumar Singh, the Principal Scientist and Director, the National Dendrimer and Nanotechnology Center, Michigan, USA, with the honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Young Scientist Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution and dedication and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next award goes to Dr. Shruti Raval, the Faculty, Birmingham and Women's Hospital, Harvard Medical School, Boston, USA. And she has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Clinical Research Excellence Award in recognition for their outstanding contribution and dedication and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So the next award goes to Dr. Shanti Bhushan Mishra ji, and he has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Late Shri Raja Ram Memorial Award in the for their outstanding work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied discipline. He is a professor and the head of the department, the Pharmacognosy, United Institute of Pharmacy, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. So the next is Professor Indupal Kaur Ma'am, Dean Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, DPIIT, IPR Chair Professor, Punjab University and Professor and Head Pharmaceutics, University Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Punjab. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Women in the Pharmaceutical Research Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution and dedication and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So the next awardee is Dr. Asif Ali, the founder and the medical officer, Clinica Medicare, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 25 in the category of SPSR Late Shri Rajendra Kumar Memorial Award in recognition of their outstanding and contribution and dedication has been made in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Professor Kamla Pathak ma'am, Dean and Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, Safai, Uttar Pradesh. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Women of Impact in the Pharmaceutical Sciences Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution and dedication in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is our Dr. Kuldeep Saini, Professor Faculty of Pharmacy, Integral University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Late Shri Raja Ram Memorial Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is our Professor Sunila Dhaneshwar, the founder director of Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Amity University, Maharashtra, Mumbai, India. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Women of Impact in the Pharmaceutical Sciences Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is the Professor Manju Rawat Singh ma'am, Professor, University Institute of Pharmacy, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla, University Raipur, Chhattisgarh. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Women in the Pharmaceutical Research Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical science and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Padmini Shukla ma'am, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Science, Safai, Uttar Pradesh. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Distinguished Service Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Professor Saurabh Kose, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacy Practice, ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Punjab. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Prabodh Shukla, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Uttar Pradesh, University of Medical Science, Safai, Uttar Pradesh. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is our Dr. Isha Yadav, Professor and the Head, Axis College of Pharmacy, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. She has been honored with the SPS Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Distinguished Service Award in recognition for their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is our Professor Amita Verma, Professor Sam Higginbottom, University of Agriculture, Technology and Science, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Outstanding Women Academic Leader Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Dr. Sanjay Nagdev, sir, Associate Professor, Shri Prakash Chand Jain College of Pharmacy and Research, Jamner, Maharashtra, India. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Distinguished Service Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Mrs. Divya Dubey, the patent attorney, D-Penning and D-Penning, New Delhi, India. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Women of Impact in the Pharmaceutical Science Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Mr. Junaid Tantre, Assistant Professor, NIMS Institute of Pharmacy, NIMS University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Young Teacher Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Mrs. Rupam Sharma, Assistant Professor, School of Pharmacy, Indus International University, Unna, Himachal Pradesh. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Young Woman Innovator Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Ankur Agarwal, sir, Associate Professor, Jai Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Pradeep Gulani, sir, the Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Gyan Ganga Institute of Technology and Science, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPCR Distinguished Service Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and clean allied disciplines. Next is Professor Ashia Sultana, the Professor, National Institute of Unani Medicine, Bengaluru, Karnataka. She has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Clinical Research Excellence Award in recognition of the outstanding contribution, dedication in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Dr. R. Bhaskar, MD, the Associate Lecturer, Government Siddha Medical College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the SPSR Clinical Research Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding work, contribution, dedication in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Professor Sunmati Kumar Jain, the Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidhalaya, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Innovator of the Year Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and discipline. Next award goes to Mr. N. Saleem Bhasha, Associate Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied discipline. Next is Dr. Prashanthi Bodu, Assistant Professor, Geetham School of Pharmacy, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution and dedicated achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Professor Nalamolu Bala Venkatasivaram, Professor and HOD Pharmaceutics, Sir C.R. Reddy College of Pharmaceutical Science, Illuru, Andhra Pradesh, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Now, next is Dr. Monika Hazara, Professor and Head of the Department Pharmacology, Clinical Pharmacology and Pharmacovigilance, High-Tech Medical College and Hospital, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and work in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Dr. Karunasri Varikola, Associate Professor and the HOD, Department of Pharmacognosy, KBSR Siddhartha College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution and dedication, achievement, and work done in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Professor Chenupati V. Suresh, Professor and Head, Chenupati Indo-American School of Pharmacy, Andhra Pradesh, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award in the recognition of their outstanding contribution and dedication and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Dr. Neerja Shukla, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Nari Shiksha Niketan, Postgraduate College, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Excellence in the Pharmaceutical Research Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Giresh Tripathi, Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Shri Krishna University, Chhatrapur, Madhya Pradesh, India, has been honored with an SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Excellence in Pharmaceutical Research Award in recognition of their outstanding work and dedication in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Srinivas Joshi, a Professor and Head, the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, SET College of Pharmacy, Dharwad, Karnataka, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Excellence in the Pharmaceutical Research Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution and dedication and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Professor Tapan Behal sir, the Professor and Head, Amity University, Punjab, Mohali, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Excellence in the Pharmaceutical Research Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Dr. Rama Bhatt, Professor at Alvas College, Karnataka, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Excellence in the Pharmaceutical Research Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Avesh Kumar Yadav, Associate Professor, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Naipur, Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Innovator of the Year in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. So next is Dr. Nitin Gulab Sutar, the Associate Professor, Sanjeevani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Kopargaon, Maharashtra, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Innovator of the Year Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Next is Dr. Dhaval Patel, sir, Assistant General Manager, Jump India Pharmaceutical Private Limited, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, has been honored with the SPSR Excellence Award 2025 in the category of SPSR Industry Leadership Award in recognition of their outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievement in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Thank you, everyone. It has been my honor to announce the first 50 awards under the SPSR Member and Women's Awards 2025. Now, at this point, I would now like to hand over the proceeding to Dr. Pradeep Gulani, sir, who will kindly continue with the presentation of next set of awards. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Rishabh, for wonderfully presenting the earlier awards. I'm honored to carry forward the proceedings and announce the next set of awardees for the SPSR Members and Women's Award 2025. Each of these awards is a celebration of hard work, innovation, and commitment to the pharmacy profession. Let's move ahead with the announcements. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. So the next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mrs. Ritu Bharti, Associate Professor, Srimati Vidyavati College of Pharmacy, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Late Shri Rajendra Kumar Memorial Award, in recognition of outstanding contribution, dedication, and achievements in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Prashant Tiwari, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacology, School of Health Sciences, Dayanand Sagar University, Bangalore, Karnataka, India, in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Rishabh Bhanot, Associate Professor, Rayat Bhara Institute of Pharmacy, Hoshiarpur, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Young Teacher Award. Congratulations to you, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Vijay Rajaram Solakhi, Professor, Kasegaon Education Societies, Rajaram Bapu College of Pharmacy, Kasegaon, Maharashtra, India, in the category of SPSR Excellence in Pharmaceutical Research Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Neeraj Gupta, Professor, College of Pharmacy, Agra, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Swastik Patnaik, Pharmacist in Charge, Hospital SOA University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Pharmacist Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Ms. Alina, Research Scholar, Integral University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Student Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Dr. Rajkumari, Professor and Dean Academics, ITS College of Pharmacy, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Women Academic Leader Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Sapna Malviya, Professor and Head of the Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Women Academic Leader Award. Congratulations, madam. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Ms. Shivani Chib, PhD Scholar, Central University of Punjab, Bhatinda, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Student Leadership Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Vijaya Lakshmi Marela, Professor KVSR Siddhartha College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Woman Academic Leader Award. Congratulations. Next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Deepa Rani Urolagin, Professor and HOD, RR College of Pharmacy, Bangalore, Karnataka, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Woman Academic Leader Award. Congratulations. Next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Yaraljada Ankama Chaudhary, Principal NRI College of Pharmacy, Agirapalli Mandal, Andhra Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Principal of the Year Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Vijay Nigam, Principal, Daksh Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Nilesh Malviya, Principal, Smriti College of Pharmacy Education, Pharmaceutical Education, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Principal of the Year Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Madhi Ramaiya, Professor and Principal, Maharaja College of Pharmacy, Vizianagaram, Andhra Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Muhammad Atif, Associate Professor, Department of Public Health, College of Applied Medical Sciences, King Faisal University, Al Ahsa, Saudi Arabia, in the category of SPSR Public Health Leadership Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Prerna Kaushik, Guest Faculty, University Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Punjab University, Chandigarh, India, in the category of SPSR Rising Star Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Payam Vora, Research Scholar, MS Pharmacology and Toxicology, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Naipur, Mohali, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Student Leadership Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Sheikh Mohammad Noor, Student pharm.d, College of Pharmacy, KL University, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Student Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Suvarna G. Kini, Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Mahe, Manipal, Karnataka, India, in the category of SPSR Women in Pharmaceutical Research Excellence Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. NVL Sirisha Mulukuri, HOD and Associate Professor, NITTE College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Bangalore, Karnataka, India, in the category of SPSR Women in Pharmaceutical Research Excellence Award. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Suchita Gokhale, Associate Professor, Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research, Kalyan, Maharashtra, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Man Singh, Professor and Head Department of Pharmacy, MLN Government Medical College, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Late Sri Rajaram Memorial Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Narmada Vallakirti, Associate Professor, University College of Technology, Osmania University, Hyderabad, Telangana, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Unity Sri Venkatesh, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacology, Sri Shivani College of Pharmacy, Sri Kakulam, Andhra Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Young Teacher Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Gurinderdeep Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Drug Research, Punjabi University, Patiala, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Rakhi Mishra, Professor, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Women of Impact in Pharmaceutical Sciences Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR award is presented to Ms. Muskan Jain, Assistant Professor, Srimati Vidyavati College of Pharmacy, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Rising Star Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Komal Saini, Assistant Professor, Chandigarh College of Pharmacy, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Mohali, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Young Teacher Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Ms. Priyanka Bharadwaj, PhD Scholar, Chandigarh University, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Rising Star Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Khushbu Mishra, Professor, Srimati Vidyavati College of Pharmacy, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Young Woman Innovator Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Rahul Deo Yadav, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacy, MLN Government Medical College, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Late Sri Rajendra Kumar Memorial Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Nitesh Kumar Jain, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Modern Group of Institutions, Indore, in the category of SPSR Public Health Leadership Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Shivanarayanan Panguganti, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Modern Group of Institutions, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Distinguished Service Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Manoj Kumar Kautal, Principal, Florence College of Pharmacy, Ranchi, Jharkhand, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Nidhi Chaudhary, Professor, MIT Institute of Biotechnology, Head Innovation and Entrepreneurship Cell Domain of Bioscience and Biotechnology, MIT Institute of Biotechnology, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Woman Academic Leader Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Ms. Neha Srivastav, PhD Scholar, SRM Modinagar College of Pharmacy, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Delhi, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Rising Star Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Ashik Hussain Gain, Assistant Professor, Sri Dhanvantari College of Pharmacy, Surat, Gujarat, India, in the category of SPSR Rising Star Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Rahul Kaushik, Professor, Metro College of Health Sciences and Research, Greater Noida, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Neeraj Verma, Director and the Head of Institution, Hygia College of Pharmacy, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Mohammad Makmoor Bakri, Professor of Pharmaceutical Care and Dean of Faculty of Pharmacy, University, Kebangasan, Selangor, Malaysia, in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Tanu Bhargava, Guest Lecturer, Institute of Pharmacy, Bikram University, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Educator Excellence Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Tribhuvan Kumar Vasishtha, Assistant Professor, Pharmacy Academy, IFTM University, Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Late Shri Rajendra Kumar Memorial Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Praveen Raja S., Student Faculty of Pharmacy, SBMCH Campus, Bihar, Krompet, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Student Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Ms. Ranjit Kaur Parmar, PhD Scholar, City University, Ludhiana, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Rising Star Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Bhumika Sahu, Student Jai Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Student Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Vikrant Arya, PhD Scholar, City University, Ludhiana, Punjab, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Student Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Akshat Raj Kaushik, Student, SD College of Pharmacy and Vocational Studies, Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Outstanding Student Award. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Mr. Sunil Kumar, Senior Manager, SPSR Periodicals Private Limited, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Distinguished Service Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Dr. Rupa Majumdar, Professor and Dean, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Excellence in Pharmaceutical Research. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Tole Shobha Bhavijarao, Associate Professor, ASPM KT Patil College of Pharmacy, Maharashtra, India, in the category of SPSR Women of Impact in Pharmaceutical Sciences. Congratulations. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Professor Dr. Anupam Kumar Sachin, Professor and Director, Dayanand Dinanath College Institute of Pharmacy, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India, in the category of SPSR Distinguished Service Award. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Rahul Taneja, Scientist, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Haryana, Panchkula, Haryana, India, in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award. Congratulations, sir. The next SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Prashant Yovraj Mali, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology, College of Pharmacy, Sindhudurg, Maharashtra, India, in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award. Congratulations, sir. The last SPSR Excellence Award is presented to Dr. Pushpendra Kumar, Founder and CEO, Dr. PK Classes, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, in the category of SPSR Community Impact Award. Many congratulations, sir. With this, we conclude the presentation of the SPSR Excellence Awards 2025 during our landmark 100th SPSR webinar. Now, I would like to invite Professor Gir Mohammad Ishaq, sir, Director of Lifelong Learning, University of Kashmir, to share his feedback, sir. Welcome,
Very
sir.
good afternoon. Thank you, Dr. Pradeep. Very good afternoon to everybody. Am I audible?
Right, sir, audible.
Yes. Thank you very much. It's very heartening to see many recognitions and accolades and achievements being recognized and awarded. Thank you very much for this heartwarming ceremony today. Well, we have been witnessing since morning. We have heard from veterans in the field of pharmaceutical sciences, starting from Professor Sanjay and Sanjay Jain, sir, and followed by Professor Sanjay Singh, Vice Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor Shobit University, and we also heard from Madam Professor Sanju Nanda. And that was followed by a very exhilarating, very insightful, very informative talk, a webinar delivered by our own Professor Dr. Deependra Singh, Chairman, Education Regulations Committee of the Pharmacy Council of India. And all these speakers, they have been awarded with the Lifetime Achievement Awards very pertinently. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of them for their Lifetime Achievement Awards, and also all other awardees under different categories who have been awarded today. It is a recognition of their talent, their hard work. It's a celebration of their dedication and commitment towards their work. And the presentation in particular made by Professor Deependra Singh ji was just right on time. We are on the crossroads of a technological revolution, an industrial revolution 4.0. And this is the most appropriate time when we need to dwell and discuss all these issues related to artificial intelligence. And very pertinently, he has mentioned that we don't have any other choice whether we should adopt artificial intelligence and other technologies or not. There is no choice, but only thing is how to do it, when to do it, and how to make it successful. Because our country is heading towards the goal of Viksit Bharat by the year 2047, which has been laid down by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. So we all need to produce workforce, produce human resource who will serve to that end and make our country a developed nation by the year 2047. And pharmaceutical sciences cannot lag behind. The pharmacy profession cannot lag behind. We have to move ahead in this direction, make significant contributions. And that cannot be achieved unless we keep pace with the changing world, changing times and trends, unless we keep pace with the changing technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, like machine learning and other technologies. So this is the most appropriate time, the theme which has been chosen for today, the artificial intelligence, innovation, and future-ready education, and preparing our pharmacists for that future-ready education, because we have to keep our pharmacists industry-ready, job-ready, future-ready. Otherwise, we will become redundant, our education will become obsolete, and we will be left behind in this race of progress and development. And there is no other choice but to emulate, but to adopt these technologies, as rightly mentioned by Professor Deependra Singh ji and other eminent speakers of the day. They have emphasized on the importance of innovations, of technology leveraging, of making our learning so easy, and which has to be embedded with the right technology. So in his presentation, Professor Deependra Singh ji has, he has covered all important aspects. I cannot think of anything which he has left behind. He hasn't missed any aspect of artificial intelligence, of new age technologies, of innovation, and of making personalized learning, and how digital learning is very, very important, because nowadays our students need to know what industry is asking for, and what is the need of the job industry, what are the demands of the job industry. Accordingly, they need to empower themselves, they need to build those capacities, skills, and they need to adopt those technologies in order to make them sufficiently equipped to face the challenges of the future. And this is the right time when Pharmacy Council of India is coming up with new curriculum under the leadership of Professor Deependra Singh ji and others. And this is the most appropriate time when we need to incorporate these technologies in our curriculum. And we need to make our education future ready, learner centric, and we need to make it industry ready. So the deliberations of this 100th SPR have been very, very pertinent. I would like to congratulate the entire team of the Society of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research for completing this important milestone of 100 webinars. During these 100 webinars, they have covered each and every topic relevant to the contemporary world, relevant to the contemporary profession of pharmaceutical sciences. And they have brought in some of the most reputed, renowned, and accomplished scientists, experts, teachers, professors, and who have discussed some of the most hot topics, some of the most burning issues related to pharmaceutical sciences. This is a great achievement indeed. I congratulate Dr. Shashi Alokji, Dr. other office bearers of SPSR, who have been doing a yeoman service to the profession by virtue of these webinars. And this achievement is really remarkable, not merely in its number, but also for its breadth and intellectual richness. Across these 100 sessions, we have heard the most reputed speakers expound on topics as diverse as advanced drug discovery platforms, nanotechnology-enabled delivery systems, regulatory harmonization, quality by design, pharmacovigilance, material-vigilance, cosmetico-vigilance, pharmacoeconomics, health technology assessment, clinical research ethics, evolving role of artificial intelligence, digital therapeutics, new upcoming emerging technologies and future of pharmacy practice. So each webinar has widened our horizons and reaffirmed the knowledge that thrives when it is shared without any boundaries. As rightly mentioned by Professor Deependra Singh ji in his presentation, that future is going to be an amalgamation of this quantum computers, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. So if I may add, there is another amalgamation which will shape the future of pharmaceutical sciences. That is the amalgamation and conglomeration of genomics-based technologies, informatics-based technologies, personalized medicine, and pharmaceutical sciences based, including AI. So, health informatics, health genomics, artificial intelligence together are going to shape the boundaries, the limitations, the horizons of the pharmaceutical sciences in future. And this is the right time when we need to leverage these new age technologies into our curriculum, into our research, into our clinical practice. So very rightly, this SPSR, though a huge list of awards have been presented, but I believe that award ceremony is not just a ceremonial. It is not just a ceremonial gesture, but a recognition of one's excellence, the recognition of hard work, perseverance, creativity, dedication, and that is the right thing to do. So, by presenting these awards in different categories, be it in industry leadership, community leadership, even student leadership has been recognized. And people from all across the country, the north, the south, the east, the west, and the central parts of the country have been recognized. Their contributions, their immense achievements and accomplishments have been recognized. I'm sure they will be emboldened, they will be motivated enough to work harder. They will be inspired to bring laurels to their respective institutions and achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat, lead towards the progress and development of our country by the year 2047. And that way, this is the right, most incentivization is an important aspect of education. Unless we incentivize, recognize, appreciate talent, unless we give due acknowledgement of one's hard work, dedication, we are not going to move forward. So as rightly said by William Carey, the CEO of IBM several years ago, that distance and time are running in parallel, but technology now is going ahead of both distance and time. So I once again congratulate all the awardees who have been awarded, honored, and surprisingly, I was also one among them. Many thanks to SPSR, to the entire team of SPSR, and many thanks to the seniors, the veterans, the speakers who spoke in the beginning, who were awarded with the Lifetime Achievement Award for inspiring confidence, for inspiring awe, and for encouraging, motivating our young scholars, young researchers, young teachers from all across the country. So this platform, SPSR, has been doing a commendable job, a very remarkable job, which it must continue in times to come. And my hats off, my congratulations, my accolades and salutations to the entire team under the leadership of Dr. Dr. Shashi Alokji and Madam his missus. So I congratulate all of them once again. Many thanks for giving me this time to express my views and for awarding me and others. Thank you very much. Over to you, Dr. Pradeep Gulani ji.
Thank you so much, Professor Gee, for giving the genuine feedback on 100th SPSR webinar, and also blessing the SPSR platform through your guidance. Thank you so much, sir. So here we come to the conclusion of this 100th SPSR webinar. So on behalf of the Society of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the attendees, awardees. Your dedication, innovation, and contributions to the field of pharmaceutical sciences and allied disciplines truly inspire the entire community and set new benchmarks of excellence. We also thank our dignitaries, members, and participants from across the globe for joining us in celebrating this special occasion. Together, we continue to strengthen the mission of SPSR to advance knowledge, promote innovation, and uplift the profession of pharmacy. Let us carry forward this spirit of collaboration and excellence as we move ahead. Congratulations once again to all the attendees, awardees, and thank you everyone for being the part of this memorable journey. Thank you from Team SPSR.